2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, driver and front passenger heated seats, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, compass, overhead console, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.